Happy flowers, welcome to my channel.
In today's video, I will show you how I made my Deepavali hamper for my friend. We need a basket and the gift items which we want to give to our friends, and then the packing materials. First, we need to line up the basket with some old paper, tape it nicely with the basket, cover the waste paper with some beautiful color paper. I'm going to gift my friend a beautiful coffee percolator and some eatables. I'm arranging my gift items nicely in the basket. I'm using a double-sided stick-on tape and some cello tape to secure them nicely in the basket. Arrange your gift items nicely in the basket, secure them with tape, and finally, we have to wrap them with a transparent cellophane paper. I am not covering one corner of the basket with cellophane paper because I want to add some fresh flowers in that. Finally, finish your hamper with a beautiful ribbon and a ribbon bow. I am using double-sided stick-on tape to attach the ribbon. My hamper is ready for Deepavali. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Wish you all a very happy Deepavali.